last presentation, they appreciate me, my teacher, my classmate, my friends, they appreciate me. And only my college teacher, he watched my video and said me, Babul, you are doing great. Your speaking skill develop day by day.
Everyone to another new podcast. As you can see, there is very special guest for me and he is going to make an introduction. So let's get started our conversation with his introduction.
Thank you so much, our brother. Firstly, I am going to introduce myself. This is Babul Hassan. I am from Dhaka Mirpur 2. I am an English student. I am studying the Honours in English, Bangladesh University of Business and Technology, BUBT. I am an English student. Recently, I have completed my course and I have remained thesis. After completing my thesis, I will be graduate from English department. And now I am working English, spoken English and written English. I have a YouTube channel and Facebook page. I am working with it. So, if you have any question, you can ask me.
Okay. So everyone has a motivational speaker in Bangladesh. So who is your motivational speaker in case of learning English? Who motivates or inspire you to learn English?
Thank you. It is great question for me because from my point of view, Koyal Chandra is my best motivational speaker to me. And when I started my journey, I watched his first video, Koyal Chandra, and after watching his first video, I started my journey. I think that if he can do it, I also can do it. So this after inspiring from his video, after getting his motivation from watching this video, I start my journey. So I think Doyle Chandra is my inspiration, and I get motivated from his video.
And do you believe that spoken English is very easy or challenging?
I had started English 2024. Speaking English is not difficult. It is very easy because it is language. When you take it as a language, it will be very easy for you, I think.
Okay, so many individuals can't speak in English. So what's your message for them? How they can develop their speaking?
Many students cannot speak English because there are many reasons. I will discuss sequentially. First reason is they take it as a subject. They learn English as a subject. So that's why they cannot speak English. Another that is they don't learn English practically. That's why they learn English as for example, for the 2 sentence or 3 sentence example, but they don't practice practically. They don't learn practically. They learn one sentence. This sentence they cannot use this sentence in the real life conversation. That's why it is another reason to cannot speak English fluently. Another reason we are not able to create English environment. That's why we cannot speak English. If we want to be good speaker, if we want to speak English, we must create English environment by listening, by practicing. So another most important reason that is we cannot maintain consistency. We start our journey, but we distracted from our goal, from our job. That's why we start our journey, but we want to be a good speaker. 20 days, 30 days, 1 month, 2 months, but it is continuous process. It is not possible to want to be a good speaker 1 month or 2 months. So you have to be good speaker. So you have to continue your journey. So those kind of things, it is most important to cannot speak English fluently, I think.
Okay. So how do you consider grammatical rules? Do you believe that without grammatical rules, learning English is very easy? I mean, it's possible. Okay, let me ask the same questions again. Okay, so how do you consider this matter? Many individuals believe that without grammatical rules, it's not possible to learn English. So do you believe that to be expert in learning English, grammatical rules is very important?
Actually, grammar is important, but not most important. So I was very good at English grammar. So I could not speak English before because I cannot communicate. I cannot communicate in English. So I don't able to create English environment. I cannot think in English. So if you want to be a good speaker, grammar is important, but you know sentence structure, you know tense, you know parts of speech as a foreign language. You must those kind of basic grammar, but it doesn't necessary to be a expert in grammar, right? So you know some basic grammar, and you able to create English environment, and then you can go listening and speaking. So it is important for you. So grammar important, but not necessary. Not it doesn't need to be a